goes aside from my soul. There goes aside, there goes aside. Now there goes aside from my soul. There goes aside from my soul.
Aloha Lovelies, this is Lyn and today I'm doing a March 2018 Boxycharm unboxing. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a monthly subscription that costs $20 plus tax and you get 5 full-size products. I love Boxycharm, it is like my favorite subscription box, so let's go ahead and go through them. The first product that I'm going to talk about is this pretty vulgar blush. It is Make Them Blush in 18 Hush Blush and I really like this color. It's like a nice neutral, almost brick color, and this is how it swatches. It's very pigmented and it does eventually blend out, so that's what that looks like. I really love this color, and usually they send me like the same peachy pink colors other subscription boxes and Boxycharm do, but this one is much darker than what I usually got, so I'm really glad I got that. The next product I got is this Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Brush Set. It comes with 3 brushes. And the first brush is step 1 for the money. This is the shadow brush right here. And the second brush is step 2 for the shadow. This is like an angled crease brush. You can see right there, and it's a little bit fluffy. And step 3 is Go Girl Go. This is a smudger brush. You can use this to define your lash line and to also smudge the bottom eyeshadow. What I got is this 3-pack of Salt Main Under Eye Gels. It reduces puffiness, reduces dark circle, and moisturizes eye area. And basically what you do is you apply this product under eye after you clean it, and you leave it on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles, and use promptly after opening for best results for use for 3 consecutive days. So I like getting eye gels and eye masks in my Boxycharm or any subscription box, so I'm really excited to try this. And I saw from other people's Boxycharms opening, it looks like this red gel thing basically that's in here, so I'm really excited to try this out. Alright, the next product is this Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara, and I'm really excited to try this out because this is 200% thicker lashes and 314 increase in lash curl. And my main goal for a mascara is to have one that can hold a curl. So this is what it looks like. And that's the brush right there. Now, a lot of people that reviewed this on Ulta.com, this was about, I think, $20 on Ulta.com. They said there's a lot of people that liked it, but there's also a lot of people said that it was clumpy and it flakes. And I'm not really excited about that part, but I do want to try it out. Maybe it just differs from person to person, so I'm definitely checking that. It also comes with a 25% off your next purchase of $50 on BundleLondon.com. So this is a Boxycharm Pure collaboration. It is called the Complexion Authority. This is retailed at $36. So I really like this eyeshadow palette. I actually like pure eyeshadows. I have quite a few pure eyeshadows, but this is what this looks like. It has like a lot of nice warm peachy colors almost, and this warmer color here, and it also has pops of colors right here. So it says on the card that you can layer the shimmers for a duochrome effect. So let's go ahead and try that out. So let's try Alliance, which is this nice shimmery, I would say golden brown color. Pop that off. That's what it looks like alone. And now we're going to switch to the other side. And we're going to do that. So that's what it looks like when they're layered together. I don't know if you can see it. I really should open my blinds, but I didn't think about that. So that's what they look like layered together. I really like this eyeshadow palette. I think it's very pretty. I love the colors, and I like how it was totally different from the other pure palette that came in a Boxycharm, the Soiree Diary. So that was really neutral, and this one has a little bit of more peachy neutrals and different pops of color. So I'm really excited to try this out. So these are all the products that came in the Boxycharm. I'm really excited, especially for the palette and for the blush. Those are probably my two favorite things in this box. And I can't wait for next month. I have an Etsy subscription and a Sephora Play subscription that I'm gonna do a video about. And I'm gonna also have an unboxing of my husband's Birchbox since he gets it every month. I want to thank you for spending time with me. If you like my videos, give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please press the subscription button and the notification bell. And I hope to see you again. Aloha!